Hey yogis, I'm back. Welcome to 28 Days of Namastes. I'm Nikki, and we'll be talking about another Ayurvedic purification technique. So as you might be noticing is that really Ayurveda and yoga fall under the same umbrella. So today, if you're not familiar, I'll be teaching you the benefits and why and how to Neti Pot. No, it's not for a tiny cup of tea, or you may think it's to make 3 wishes on. Really what this is used for is to clear out the nasal passages. And as yogis, pranayama and breathing deeply is very important to our practice, and Neti Pot helps to assist in that. But also there's a plethora of benefits to netting, just besides our breathing techniques. It helps to clear the nasal passages of any pollutants or pollens or debris or whatever irritants are getting in the nasal passageways. So it helps with that, and that can help to relieve sinus pressure and allergies. It also helps to moisten the nasal passages, so helping if you're really dry, weather here in Los Angeles has been very dry. So that could help with that. It also helps to remove excess mucus. It can help reduce snoring. And it can also just raise the body's defense against illness. So just something really good to add onto your daily practice if it's not already. All right, so now let's go into the how. So first off, you're gonna need a Neti Pot. So make sure you have one of those. You can order one online or get them at your health food market. And then you're gonna want clean, warm water. So either distilled water, filtered water, or if you don't have access to that, you can boil water and then just wait till it drops to be about body temperatures, the temp that we want it, that will be the most easeful when we get the Neti Pot running through the nose. So I'm gonna take today about a cup of water that I've already boiled. That should be good. And then you want to make sure that you have non-iodized salt. All right, so I'm going to use some sea salt today, and then we're going to do about 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I have a little measure right here. So as you can see, 1/4 of a teaspoon, about that much. Drop it in there, and then we'll just mix that until it dissolves. And once it's dissolved, then we start doing the fun party trick. So when we do the neti, you want to make sure that your head is at a little bit of an angle and that the mouth is open so that you can breathe through your mouth while we do this stuff going through the nose. And then it helps if you make this little sound with the throat. That'll block it from water dripping down. And if it happens, just spit it out. Just to forewarn you, if you're new to this, it's a little weird. It might be uncomfortable at first and feel crazy and like you're just getting water up your nose and you just had a crazy wipe out when you were surfing and you're like, I don't need to put any more water up there. But trust me, like anything, it just takes practice and time to feel more comfortable with it, and the benefits are really will outweigh the first few uncomfortable stages in the beginning. So just be patient. All right, should we get to it? So you're having the head at the angle. I'm gonna do half in one nostril and then the other half on the other side. And in between, just letting the nose gently blow out just to get any excess water out. It's really cute and attractive, so just to warn you, watch out there. So once you find the right angle, you just want to let it flow and clear it all out like so. So I did about half on one nostril and let the rest of this go to the other side. That one, the second side was definitely not as cute. It ripped down my whole cheek and my shirt. But sometimes that's part of it. So that's just what we go through as yogis. Sometimes stuff is not that cute and a little weird, but the benefits outweigh all of that, right? So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful, and just another great way to get your day started off feeling clear and good. All right, check you later.